Hello and welcome back to Tech ARP. Today, we are going to take a look at all three retail colors of the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 smartphone. From left to right, you have Graphite, Pink, this year's hero color, and Cream. Samsung is reserving a fourth color called Mint as an online exclusive. This is how they look like from the front. Note how the Graphite and Pink models have matching frames, while the Cream version has an unpainted aluminum frame with a matte finish. Finally, this is how the cover screens of all three colors look like. What do you think of the three retail color options? Drop us a comment and tell us which color you prefer. For more details, please click on the link in the description below. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to Tech ARP for more tech coverage. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.